Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Nest Wi-Fi router and set up guest network, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Google Nest Wi-Fi router and the necessary power adapter. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router to your modem. Next, download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, tap the plus icon in the top left corner to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the drop-down menu. Choose New Devices and select the home where you want to set up the router. The app will search for nearby devices. Once it finds your Google Nest Wi-Fi, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to assign a name to your network and create a secure password. After setting up your network, go to the Home app's main screen. Tap on your router's name, then select Wi-Fi from the menu. To set up a guest network, tap on Guest Network under the Wi-Fi settings. Toggle the option to enable the guest network. Choose a name for the guest network and create a password for it. Review your settings and tap Save to activate the guest network. Your guest network is now set up and ready for use. You can share the guest network name and password with your visitors. To manage the guest network or change settings later, return to this section in the Google Home app. Ensure your router firmware is updated regularly for optimal performance. If you encounter issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the Google Home app for assistance. Your Google Nest Wi-Fi router and guest network are now fully installed and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.